reports. Well, some big changes ahead for COVID-19 vaccination recommendations. The FDA says only those 65 and older and people with underlying health conditions will be able to get the shot. Our KRON 4's Rob Nesbitt spoke with an infectious disease expert about the changes coming this fall.
An updated booster of the COVID-19 vaccine will be available this fall. The Food and Drug Administration has made some big changes to vaccine eligibility now that it's been 5 years since the pandemic hit. When updated versions of the COVID-19 vaccine become available later this year, it will only be available to two groups of people. Dr. Peter Chin-Hong at UCSF learned about the changes Tuesday when they were announced by the FDA.
The big changes are really for those who are healthy individuals under the age of 65. They will no longer be eligible for the updated COVID vaccine.
The FDA says the move is meant to focus protection on those who need it most. According to Dr. Chin-Hong, it's what most countries, including the UK, are already doing, and he's hoping it will encourage high-risk populations to protect themselves from infection.
You're kind of going for the lowest hanging fruit. More than 90% of the individuals who were hospitalized and died in the last year were those over 75 who didn't get a shot.
The FDA advisory board still has to meet before the CDC issues recommendations, but the infectious disease expert says the changes are likely. The Food and Drug Administration will require vaccine makers to conduct clinical trials before approving them for wider use. Trials will be done among people younger than 65, where half the participants receive vaccines to compare the shot's effectiveness.
These vaccine trials take a long time and they're very expensive. So by the time you're done and you get the results, the season is over and you're on to thinking about the next version of the vaccine for the next season.
Dr. Chin-Hong believes children under the age of 2 would also benefit from being eligible for the COVID booster this fall, but that's not what the FDA is recommending. Reporting in the newsroom, I'm Rob Nesbitt, KRON 4 News.